Quick guide: replacing the AirPort board in a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody. Power down, disconnect the battery, and use an anti-static wrist strap. Tools: Torx T6 and spudger. Remove the lowercase screws and lift off the bottom plate. Find the AirPort board near the display hinge and note antenna cables. Peel back antenna cables, remove the mounting screw, and free the board. Lift the old board straight up and place it on an anti-static mat. Check the replacement matches part 922 TUMS 9T725 and orient it to the socket. Insert the board into the connector at a shallow angle until it seats. Reinstall the mounting screw and press each antenna connector until it clicks. Reconnect the battery, power on, and confirm Wi-Fi is detected. Ensure all screws are tightened and the bottom case sits flush. If uncertain, consult Apple service documentation or a certified technician.